Hi folks, have you seen these kind of interactive quizzes on Facebook where you take a question and you have multiple answers to it? You just select on them and finally at the end you get a result card where it will tell you you are a beginner, you are a novice, you are an intermediate and so on and so forth. Or maybe you would have participated in these quizzes as well. What if I tell you you can make money out of these quizzes itself? Do I have your attention now? Keep watching. Welcome back, folks, to another money making video of Money Spam. So, without delay, let's go and make some money. Now, the question that you would be asking yourself is how you would be making money out of those quizzes. To make money, you need to sell something. Now, it can be a CPA offer or it can be affiliate marketing offer. If you don't know what is a CPA, CPA is cost per action. CPA is the method in which you don't even sell a product, you ask people to fill simple surveys or do email submits or phone submits or credit card trials and you get money out of it. It is just the action, it is not the sale. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you make a sale and you get a commission out of it. If you have not watched my previous videos, I highly suggest you go and watch this video where I started the journey of affiliate marketing. Or if you have not heard about CPA marketing, you should go and watch my this video where I have started explaining about the CPAs. Now, to sell the product, you need to first find the product, right? Because if you don't have the product, how you are going to sell it? Now, the commissions for affiliate marketing ranges from anywhere between 50% to 85%. And if it is a physical product, the commissions are a little lower. On CPA side, if it is simple email submit or simple surveys, the commissions will be somewhere between $1 to $2. Sometimes in rare cases, it will be up to $5. So to select a product, we are going to come to a marketplace, affiliate marketplace, which is called JVZoo. JVZoo is a little tough to get into. So if you have not watched my first video, I highly suggest you go and watch my first video where you can portray how you are established player in this industry and you can get approved in these marketplaces. So the product that we are going to try to promote is not even live yet. Product we are going to sell today is called Doodle Maker. Doodle Maker is something which is very similar to VideoScribe. If you know what is a VideoScribe, it creates cartoon video animations which people love, and you can do a voiceover on top of it, and boom, you have a full marketing video. It is not just used in marketing videos, it is used in a lot of things. It can create any kind of video that you are looking at. It is used in YouTube animations. People have been making money on YouTube creating VideoScribe animations. They don't even have to come on camera and show their faces. That is how they have been making money. There are so many examples like that you can use. So VideoScribe competitor is here and it is going to get launched on, let's see, I believe it was going to get launched on, yeah, it is going to get launched on 9th of this month. So it is 6 days from now, it is going to get launched. So it is a very good product to promote because it is hot in market, people are not aware of it, and we can make some money out of it. And the commission that you will see is 50%. So we have the product, and how do you get the links? You click on these links and boom, you have your sales link. So you take this, and as usual, we go to incisors.com and we shorten the link. You should always shorten the link because that way you have full control over your links. Your shortened link will be sitting here and you can always change your target URL. That way in future you can start promoting a different offer because links are your assets. You don't want to let your assets go to waste at all. So let's go to incisors.com and let's shorten this link first. So I am in incisors.com, and by the way, incisors.com is completely free, so you don't have to worry about paying money. Links are in the description for everything that I showcase in this video. So just go and click them and you can come back to these websites. So let me just paste the link here that I got from JVZoo. I clicked on shorten. So we have the shortened link. Let me pull a notepad and let me paste this link. So this is the link that we are going to promote. Let me just put a name here. It was called Doodle Maker. Okay. So we have the link for Doodle Maker. Now you will be asking how you are going to create those quizzes. Don't worry, I have got you covered completely. I will tell you step by step how you can do those things, and you don't require any skills at all. It will be automated, complete, everything will be automated. Let me just show you. So we have the link for Doodle Maker. Let me just quickly go and collect link for one more offer for email marketing. So I promote Debounce. Debounce is a email cleanup service. So people have a lot of email subscription list. Over period of time, what happens is those emails die and you start getting bounce rates. Now you will ask, what is a bounce rate? Bounce rate is basically how many emails have bounced back. That means those emails are either non-existing or those email providers are gone now or something, that sort of thing. Basically those emails cannot be delivered in future as well. So once you start getting bounce rates, your reputation starts to go down. If you are running your own email servers, then that is a big problem for you, because your even legitimate emails will start ending up in spam. So email cleanup services are very much needed. So what I'm going to do is I grab my link for Debounce and I come back to incisors.com and I'm going to shorten this link. So I have my Debounce link here and I will just shorten this link. So let me just copy it and let me just paste it. So I have my sorted link for Doodle Maker and I have my sorted link for Debounce. These two are the ones we are going to promote. Now you will ask how you are going to do that. So to do that, we are going to come to a website called tryinteract.com. Now don't start running away, because then you won't understand how this thing actually works. So to begin with, you will have to click here and you will have to sign up. Now this website is free for creating quizzes, but if you use attached lead generation methods, basically these quizzes can also be used for email collection purposes, which are called lead in affiliate marketing world. So if you connect these to Aweber, or if you connect this to MailChimp, they support all this. All these are email marketing platforms. If you want to collect leads, then they are going to charge you money. But in this case, we are not going to do that. We are going to promote offers directly. We are not going to collect leads. We are not going to ask people for email. We are going to promote our products directly by means of quizzes. So let's go and sign up for tryinteract.com. So once you sign up to tryinteract.com, you will end up on the dashboard and the screen will look something like this. So they have a lot of templates that you can choose from. Now the template or the quiz that I was showing you was, let me find that. Yeah, so this was the template I used to show in the beginning of this video. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on preview. So this is the quiz and these are the questions that has been attached to it. Don't worry, all these things are editable. Even the pictures, questions, answers, everything in this website is editable, and all of this is free of cost. So let's click here and let's click on use template. So this our template is loaded now, and you can click here and you can take the preview here if you want to. If you click here, it will tell you what things you should change, like the quiz title, cover image, quiz description, call to action. So we are not going to use call to action. If you use call to action, that is where they will start charging you money. So don't use that in the starting. If you like their services, you can go and purchase them in future, but in the starting there is absolutely no need for it. So if you want to change this, so because it doesn't look good, right? What's your digital marketing strength? So we can put like, do you think you can succeed online? As simple as that, folks. You see, this one changed. You can edit the cover image and you can put a new one, or you can resize it. You can do whatever you want. It is very simple. It is all drag and drop. Okay, so you click on questions here, and you see these are all the questions here. You can click on any one of them. You can add a question, you can delete a question, you can modify a question, you can change the answers if they are not matching you. So it doesn't matter what template you begin with, just be little creative around it. Create new questions. You can click and change these images, you can change the answers, you can do whatever you want. Make it creative, make it attractive, so people will like it, people will click on it. You need to ensure people interact with it more and more. The more people interact, more engaging it will become, and better your chances of conversion at the end. Because what we will do is, at the result, we will be embedding our links. So I will show you exactly how we are going to do that. So you see the results here. Now based on the results, based on the answers these people attempted, there will be multiple answers. Okay, maybe you see this is one of the answer. Your strength is content marketing. So what we are going to do is, we are going to see 1, 2, 3, invest in advertising. So what, instead of that, what we are going to do is, we are going to delete all this nonsense, and we are going to hide call to action, and here we are going to type, take your marketing expertise to next level with animated video. You see this? Looks catchy, right? Now you can describe, Doodle Maker is one of the best tool available to create video animations, and so on and so forth. You keep on typing, describe it a bit, so that makes sure they interact with it, they like it, and so on and so forth. And at the end, you are going to do is to see it in action, and then you make sure it is in bold. Click here, and then you select this text, come back to our notepad, copy our shortened link, and then you are going to click on this button for the URL, and you are going to paste it, and you are going to save. Yeah, so apparently link test is required here. You click here and you paste this, and you type here link text, and you click on save. So you see this has magically become your affiliate link now. So once you are done with the question completely, you click on publish, and then click on publish changes again, and the magic happened. So you have a link ready here for your quiz. So you take this, and you see the magic. Your quiz is ready, and it is super interactive, folks. Look at this. You can click on it. It's super interactive, and if you want to, you can reduce or remove these social media buttons. Don't worry about all that. You can edit all these things in the template that I showed you on tryinteract.com. Now you will ask how you are going to promote this quiz. It is as simple as that. You need to make sure these quizzes try to go viral, or you need to make sure more and more people interact with it. Simplest thing will be, you go back to Facebook and start promoting in the groups that are related to this. For example, see, I just search for something like startup ideas, and you see how many groups there are. There are 85,000 members, there are 74,000 members, there are 95,000 members, there are almost 180k members, man. You can just go and click on a group like this, join them, and in the box you can write something along the lines. Let's say you can write something like, what can I say? Do you think you can succeed in the online business? Let's see what result you get. People are very interactive with this, and you need to paste the try interact link here. So people will see this and people will click on your quiz, and when they get to the result page, they will see your affiliate link because they want to improve themselves, right? Because at the result, what you are saying, you are telling them that, see, these are the things you are good at, and this is the thing that you want to improve. So what you do? You go and purchase this software and you cover your drawback using this software so that you can succeed more online. So you are going to help people and you are going to make money in the process. So if you think this video has helped you in any way, please consider liking this video and hit that subscribe button so that you can start making money online with each video I upload. That's it for this video, folks. I will see you in my next video.